This is one of our smaller path lights, but really effective and really nice. It's 1.4 watts, 45 lumens. It's very simple. It's LED. The LED is built in, so there's nothing to change or pull out or light bulbs to replace every few months. Fixture comes with everything you need right here in the box, including some instructions. This little adapter, we'll talk about that in a second. I'm going to put the box aside and unwrap the light fixture. So it's just a simple little black path light. So just push the tube in here. That's all you need to do. And like I said, it's ready to go. And then take the spike, push it in the bottom. Now I want to talk just a second. Don't take this and try jamming it in the ground and bending it all over with your hands. You're gonna hurt it. Take an old piece of metal pipe or something and a hammer, pound that into the ground, move it around a little bit as a pilot hole, and then pull this back out. Really is the way to go. So here's the underneath of the fixture. The LED's up here in a little protected dome. Keep moisture away from it. Top is metal. Spike is plastic, which is good, so it won't corrode when it goes in the ground. And it comes with this little displacement connector. So I want to show you how this works. So just unscrew it and take this piece off. And if you read down here inside the piece, you might be able to see that here on the video. It's set up for a 16 or 18 gauge wire. And they give you one for if you want to go down to 14 gauge wire. It comes in this little package. And this little part, you just take a screwdriver, it pops right out. In fact, sometimes it pops out when you don't want it to pop out. Usually when you're messing with the feed wire. So I have the feed wire. This is the wire that's going back to the transformer. And it doesn't matter what side you put in here. Landscape lighting for the most part is 12 volts AC. So it just doesn't matter. So take the feed wire, the one that's going back to the transformer, and push it down inside this bottom part of the displacement connector. So I'm taking my thumbs and I'm pushing it flat. So it lays in there nice and flat. You can probably see that here. I'm going to ask the video guy to zoom in if he hasn't already. So there it is. Then you take this top part, line it up, and screw it on. And don't use any wrenches or anything. You don't need to. Now when I do this, what I like to do is I like to have this wire energized. So I have the transformer over there. I have it turned on. It's in on or test mode. So I know I have power coming down this line. And just take this and just screw it on pretty tight with your fingers. And you'll know you got it when the light comes on. And then you know you're good to go. So when the light comes on and this is ready and everything's working, plant the fixture in the hole. Take this wire. You can take these off. You don't need these tags. We're required to do them because it's UL listed. Take the tags off. Hide the wire underneath the ground cover, underneath the wood chips, underneath the bark, underneath the gravel. You don't need to dig a trench. It's just not necessary. And that's all that's to it. It's really simple. And you can see by the pictures here on our video and at the beginning of this video that the light fixture puts out about a 3-foot diameter of very warm light. It's very pleasing. Lights the path nicely. It's not one of our biggest fixtures. It's not commercial grade, but for around a small garden area with a path, really like these. And energy efficient, long lasting, easy to install. Really the way to go. Anyway, thanks for watching. Check out our other videos as we review everything that we get before we put it up on our website. Have a great day.
At Total Lighting Supply, we understand the importance of your time. Not everyone can be a lighting expert. We're not just about selling you light bulbs, light fixtures, and light components. We're also about helping you achieve amazing and successful lighting results in your space. We hope that our video series will assist you in achieving your lighting goals.